Hello all, welcome to the 8th video in work and time playlist. In the previous videos we have discussed 4 different techniques to solve these type of problems and also discussed about the fundamental rules and relations between work time and number of people required to finish the work. In this video we are going to discuss the 5th technique. Technique 5 says if A can do a piece of work in X days and B can do Y% faster than A, B is Y% faster than A, then B will complete the work in 100x by 100 plus Y number of days. So this is the formula to calculate in how many days does B can complete the same work where B is Y% faster than A. Given A can complete the same work in X number of. Solve an example to understand more about this technique. Let's write the formula here. 100x by 100 plus y days, where x denotes the number of days in which A can finish the work and y denotes the number of times B is faster than A. The question says Kamal can do a work in 15 days and Vimal is 50% more expert than Kamal to complete the same work. Then find the total time taken to complete the work by Vimal. So we have to find in how many number of days does Vimal can complete the same work. So let's compare the formula to this question. Here x is 15 days and y is 50%. Let's substitute the values in this formula. That equals 100 into 15 by 100 plus 50, which is equals to 1500 by 150. That is 10 days. This is the direct formula we can use when we are comparing two persons and in the question given that person B is this percent faster than person A. Then they are asking to find out the number of days he can complete the work. In this type of situation, we can use this formula. So I recommend to remember this formula, which can reduce the time for calculation of this question during exams. If you find these videos are informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Number Nerd.